Alright guys, so I bought this ZT38G, it's a Chinese excavator, and I'm trying to figure out how the pin coupler works. There's no switches in here to activate it, and there's this block here, but this looks like it's for, like true, more hydraulic auxiliary. And then if you cruise down here, got this one here as well. This one's kind of hard piped, plumbed down here and in. And those ones can be controlled with this guy right here, this foot pedal. So I'm trying to figure out, there you go, Zong 2. So yeah, that's a foot pedal. The thumb is separate. And this here is like an entirely new auxiliary from what it looks like. But the big question is, like, how do I activate and get this pin grabber to do something? I have no switches. Maybe I should show you inside here. All right. So this here, you can see turtle, the siren, and the lights. Over here, windshield washer, charger. This here, this one's concerning. We're kind of missing maybe some things in the back there. And there's a touchscreen. Now I can't get into the system user settings because I don't have the password. I got to figure out that, and maybe that's where it is to activate the hydraulics for, continuous flow and other things. But yeah, if anybody has this unit or anything close to it, let me know. I'm kind of curious. I'm going to show you what it looks like from a distance. So yeah, I had like half an hour on it, and I've got about 4 hours of idling trying to figure this thing out. It's definitely pretty smooth though. All right, let me know.